the battle against the two immortals. The blue corner, Ed Samper, 185 pounds, two wins and no lose. In the blue corner again, Darwin Gita, with 0 wins and 0 lose. Beginner will challenge the champion, Ed Samper. Your battle starts now. Bangga na kayo. Teka. Tayo muna. Ayos na. Teleport na, Darwin. Teleport ka agad. Ayos na. Kami na. Ito mo.